millions of people feel sick and have various symptoms they cannot place or attribute to a specific cause. Some people experience aches and pains, headache, fatigue, joint pain, allergies, bloating, or brain fog and difficulty concentrating. Other people experience more serious symptoms like autoimmune disease, migraines, acid reflux, irritable bowel syndrome and other complicated illnesses. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that bell icon for more interesting videos from us. 6 critical reasons to do a full-body detox. 1. Common illnesses. According to functional medicine practitioner Will Cole, DC, IFMCP, some telltale signs indicate you may want to consider doing a detox protocol. Craving sugars or carbs, experiencing bloating and digestive upset, feeling spacey or foggy, feeling exhausted, having achy joints, stress. These issues may indicate other more serious health issues, so it is important to work with a healthcare professional to determine the best cleanse protocol to follow. 2. Benefits of a full-body detox are many, but the number one reason to do a detox is to feel energetic, alive, and vibrant. A detox can help heal you, and you may find you feel better in as little as 10 days. A detox or cleanse can improve digestion, and help remove toxins, leading to health improvements. 3. Boost your wellness. The word detox gets thrown around, and many people think this is as simple as doing a juice cleanse. Other people imagine a gross combination of herbs and medicinals that make you purge through the bowels or leave you feeling hungry all day. But detox can also be done in a sound and scientific way. An intentional and smart detox program is about much more than weight loss. Instead, it is a way to begin healing the body at a deep level. This detox type aims to improve energy, sleep, concentration, and even alleviate allergies and skin issues like acne and other conditions. 4. Kickstart your weight loss. Many people have trouble losing weight and have been told that calorie counting and cutting back on calories will lead to weight loss. But this is not always the case. According to science, calories from sugar and flour react differently in the body. Specifically, these foods promote inflammation and storage of body fat. Sugar and white flour are both primary insulin triggers. Neither has any nutritional value, so they are empty calories that only make you fat. When on a detox program, many of these items are eliminated, which helps with weight loss. 5. Detox from sugar. Speaking of sugar, as an addictive substance, we are always left wanting more. Science has confirmed that sugar is addictive and that cravings are due to this addiction. Food companies add certain ingredients like sugar into their foods to create these addictions. It may be shocking to learn that sugar is 8 times more addictive than cocaine. A detox is one way to stop these cravings in their tracks, rather than overcome them with sheer willpower, which is difficult when the body has created an actual dependence on a substance like sugar. 6. Many people suffer from food sensitivities, and detox is one way to determine which foods you are most sensitive to. A food sensitivity is not as severe as an allergy, which yields a dramatic reaction like swelling or hives, and therefore sensitivities are often overlooked. But the reactions within the body as a result of food sensitivities can cause other issues that can leave you feeling lethargic, cause bloat, create inflammation and cause other body issues. Gluten and dairy are common culprits in the food sensitivity category and can cause inflammation and various other body symptoms. A detox which eliminates food can help you identify which foods you might be sensitive to and your reactions to them, such as bloating. Doing a detox does not need to be a challenging experience. Beginning with excitement and curiosity for the process will bring more joy and help you cross the finish line to your detox without cheating or giving up early. Going cold turkey and eliminating all questionable substances for a period of 10 days will be a great beginning to understanding how good you can feel when you commit to eating healthy and organic foods and eliminating toxic and addictive substances that we regularly make exceptions to eat. Health is just around the corner, and full-body detox is a great way to get a grip on your health. Thank you for watching this video and remember to subscribe to Click Over Video channel.